So Apple is launching their iPhone 14 lineup in this coming fall. We have already covered up that what we will get in iPhone 14 series or what they will look like. Link to that video can be found in the I button on top right corner. So today we got some juicy news regarding the Pro variants of iPhone 15. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. We haven't even seen the iPhone 14 in real and have the news about the 15. Well, that felt strange to me as well, but it is really interesting to hear. So a Korean site named as The Alec hinted what Samsung is developing for iPhones. We all know that Samsung has been making the OLED panels for iPhones from a long time. What is coming from the air is this, that the iPhone 15 Pro models will be having under-display Face ID sensors. Yes, the Alex says it all, that Samsung is developing under-display tech for Face ID sensors, which will most likely to be equipped in iPhone 15 series next year. Basically not in the base variants, but in Pro variants, the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Now we have already seen this technology from Samsung in their foldable Galaxy Z Fold 3, where when we unfold the phone there happens to be an under-display camera. But that is not what a fully under-display camera looks like, because it becomes so apparent and clear sometimes that it doesn't even look like any UPC technology. But yeah, when it comes to Apple won't come with anything of this type. It will be a fully legit and invisible, I guess. On Z Fold 3, pixel density over that under-display camera is lower as compared to the rest of the display to let more light reach the camera, and the front camera quality on Z Fold 3 is also not that good. The Alex said that Samsung will first use this new improved under-display camera technology on their new coming Z Fold 5, and if development is completed by the schedule, then there come the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max with under-panel camera tech. Only the Face ID sensors will be moved under the display, not the selfie camera. So selfie camera would be more like a hole at front. Yeah, this year's iPhone 14 series are supposed to have a hole with a pill-shaped cutout, hole for the selfie camera and pill for the Face ID sensors. But the base models iPhone 14 and 14 Max are supposed to have that same iPhone 13 design. Now the thing is that we have to see whether the Face ID sensors under the display are performing as accurate and fast as they do wonders in this current notch system. But back in April 2021, we got to listen through an Apple analyst that Apple might be using an under-display camera in their upcoming phones in 2023. This is the same analyst who recently confirmed the processors and names for iPhone 14 series. So if it comes true, then obviously the iPhone 15 news will also be legit. That's all for upcoming, not really the upcoming, but next upcoming iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, then smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.